Hey everybody, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon for sale. This vehicle comes in a black exterior, and we have a black interior. Got some red accents throughout this vehicle as well. See the red accent stitching. Got the red seat belts. Steering wheel, door controls, seat controls, rear seats, quick look up front, come around to the back here. Take a look at our trunk. And we'll hop inside next. And we do have a turnkey ignition for this vehicle. Mileage is currently at 88,144. We've got our touchscreen display right here, showing radio there, vents, window controls, climate control down below here, shifter, different gear ratio adjustments you can make here for different traction requirements. This vehicle is also equipped with grip bars and grip handles throughout in case you're doing a little off-roading. And if you're interested in getting additional information about this Jeep Wrangler, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.